Master, can I try your cappuccino?
Yes, you can, Master Grandmaster. Oh, I can actually bend my leg, but it hurts a little bit. All right then, guys, welcome back to Bali. As you can see, Balinese rice fields. You guys know the drill now. We've done plenty of videos here. Welcome to Crate Cafe. I've actually got you behind a plant pot right now using my phone. Here for breakfast. It's Sunday. It's a great day. Wonderful time to be alive. Tonight we're going to be hosting a cocktail night. It's going to be a fun vlog. Just a field, Canggu, fun Bali vlog. Anyway, Lawrence, you're here. Can you please pass my cappuccino?
What's up?
Isabella's here too.
Hi.
Isabella, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm from Sweden. I'm 19 years old. I'm also vlogging, but not at the same level though.
No, don't do yourself an injustice.
Yeah, so I'm here in Bali just one day more. And me and my friend are traveling around in Asia for 2 months. And now we met these guys.
Yeah, how lucky are they really?
Today we're going to vlog.
We are. This is my first Bali vlog of the year. I've kind of been off the boil a little bit recently. I've not been posting videos, and Isabella, who doesn't do YouTube full time, she's made so many more videos than me, and if you're Swedish, you will love the videos. I've watched them, didn't really understand maybe like 5 words of vlog I managed to understand because she sometimes goes into English, but I'm going to leave a link in the description. You should go and check it out. I might even put it top line if you're nice to me today.
Aww.
Alright?
I'm going to be nice to you.
Good. Alright, well, it looks like top line in the description, and Lawrence's links are in the description too, because Lawrence has been helping with a load of stuff this year. We've had an unbelievable year. Anyway, cappuccino, Crate Cafe, cheers to that. My first squat session when I get back into doing legs is going to hurt a lot.
You think?
Master Grandmaster.
When's the last time you went to a gym?
Last time I went to the gym was a month ago. About a month's membership when we got back to Bali before I flew home, and I went twice. To be fair, I've not been able to train.
No fault of your own.
Well, I mean, it was my fault that I crashed my bike, so it kind of is my fault. This is Isabella too. Who stole whose name? Who was born first?
I was born first.
So she stole your name?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys know Jesse Fan. He's been in plenty of videos. How are you, brother?
Good, man. Feeling great.
Good.
No hangover.
No hangover?
It's a great day.
And we went out last night and the night before and you're still feeling good?
3 days binge drinking. Yeah. It's not exactly healthy, but
This
I feel
is what
great.
we do.
I feel great.
This is what we do, and this is dragon fruit water. Check this out. Wow, coffee's so good. I got another one. Invigorate and a Shreg. Look, I mean, look at this. Halloumi and fried eggs. So this is a rice field. This is rice. Hello. All right, got the old Australian hat back on. I am so hungover today, guys, honestly. I'm struggling. Those coffees this morning, they helped for about 8 minutes. But now it's like 6 hours after that and I'm still dead. Anyway, guys, they're gonna come out of that gate in a minute. They're all going surfing. I can't surf, so I've got to go through physio for my knee, which sucks. And the 2 Isabellas, 1 and 2, they're gonna chill with me on the beach. Have you got any money on you?
Yeah.
Could I please borrow enough for a coconut? Thank you. Yes. This dog is the dog that this morning I found our dog Chips doing really naughty things with at 7 in the morning on the stairs. Look at him.
Huh? Do you want a nice photo?
How can it be a nice photo if I'm in it?
Yeah, with obviously editing involved.
Alright, where do you want me?
I want you right there.
Where?
There.
Okay. Oh yeah, we've got some nice light now. I know, look at that. Guys, I stupidly burnt myself in the sun today on my new skin. Thumbnail. Apologies for the noise of the music behind me, but basically it was 3 weeks ago and 1 day since I had the bike accident, and we decided that instead of having like a party in the villa, where we'd always have a party and we do something like pretty much the same all of the time, we decided it was a good idea to actually go somewhere new, support a local business, bring like 25 of our best friends to be able to support by buying loads of food. One of the nicest warungs, and as well as that, they've actually kindly given us permission to run our own sort of cocktail thing, and Willis is making a load of cocktails for all of us and to get all of our friends together out of the villa or out of the party scene just for like some chilled, casual cocktails and casual drinks. So yeah, that is what the night is all about. We've got this place behind us, it's called La Pan Nam. But anyway, let's go inside. Sure, right? Can I dish these out? Please do, please do. Ladies, this is called the special.
Wait, what happened to us putting our own music on?
Huh?
What's happened to us putting our own music on?
Yeah, ask them.
Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, that's nice.
Good, eh?
Yummy.
Surprising.
Take the time to cut them off, I need her. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet ski.